This is Sophia Gombos, a student at Chayside Academy and a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. The Hillman Academy is a STEM program for high schoolers associated with the University of Pittsburgh and the UPMC Hillman Cancer Center. On May 4th, 2023, I attended their Remake Learning Days event titled Build a Microscope, Use Real Scientific Equipment, and Learn About Cancer Research. And indeed, we learned. We learned how to transfer small amounts of substances with micropipettes, and we ran real DNA samples through agarose gel in a portable electrophoresis setup. Electrophoresis separates DNA segments by its length. DNA has a negative charge, so when you run an electric current through the gel, the DNA will move towards the side with the positive charge. However, fragments of different lengths move at different speeds. Shorter and smaller ones can wiggle through the porous gel faster, while longer and larger ones lag behind. Thus, we can use this technique to determine the length and base pairs of DNA. Also, we even got to build our own microscopes with little kits that we got to keep. Now let's hear from Dr. David Boone, the Program Director of the Hillman Academy, and Mr. Stephen Jones, the Project Manager of the Hillman Academy.
So, I've been part of Remake Learning for a very long time. So I've heard of Remake Learning Days for a very long time and just haven't done them. With Stephen now here in place, we're able to kind of do a few more things than we've been able to do in the past, and hosting a Remake Learning Days was one of the things that we really wanted to do, not only because it's good for us to be out in the community, but we actually, Remake Learning is part of, wrote us letters of support for our grant, and we told them in that we would do Remake Learning Days, so now here we are learning how to do these the best that we can.
Great answer.
Reflecting on my experience at this event, I had so much fun learning about biology alongside other kids, some as young as elementary school. All these activities were hands-on and really taught me the importance of lab techniques in science. Thank you to the Hillman Academy, Dr. David Boone, and Mr. Stephen Jones. For Remake Learning Days, this is Youth Ambassador Sophia Gombos.